Hello, it looks like you are interested in this product. In this video you will see a presentation with descriptions and reviews from real customers. Women's platform buckle sandal, open peep toe fashion chunky ankle strap shoe. Surf by J. Adams. This product has 3.5 out of 5 stars based on 583 customer reviews. Review by Amazon customer, have been anticipating the arrival of these sandals and I am so thrilled with them so far. There were no paint flaws on mine like some other reviews mentioned. They are also true to size and came exactly as pictured. They are very comfortable and I can barely tell that I am in heels. I haven't walked great distances in them yet, but I will edit this review if I have any problems with them. Edit going on 2 months with these shoes. Walked great distances in them and they have given me no trouble. Great buy. Review by John McCorvey. You can find the link in description. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe.